Let's go to task 1. Given SSA, determine whether the given information results in one triangle, two triangles, or no triangle. If there is only one triangle, solve the triangle and label your triangle. If there are two triangles, label your triangle and find the difference of the area of two triangles. Given C equals 10 centimeters, A equals 6 centimeters, angle A equals 32 degrees. So first of all, we need to figure out angle C by using sine law. We know the keywords for sine law is corresponding. So we have C over sine C equals A over sine A. Then we plug in, you have 10 over sine C equals 6 over sine 32 degrees. Then we do cross multiply. The same line with the variable go to denominator. Therefore, you will have sine C equals 6 go to denominator, then 10 times the sine 32 degrees. First of all, check the mode. Make sure angle is in degree. Then we quit. Then go to alpha y equals, enter, get the fraction. 10 times the sine 32 over 6. Then enter. For the angle C, we will use a second sine, then drop down, enter. This will be acute angle C1. We will use 62.0 for the three significant figures. Then you can get the C2 using 180 minus 62.0. You will get 118 degrees. So we can write down over here that's C1 equals 62.0 degrees. For C2, we will get 180 degrees minus C1 equals 118 degrees. After you got this C2, you need to check whether it exists or not. So how to check? First of all, we know C2 is an obtuse angle. Then we will draw a triangle with an obtuse angle C. So given angle is A. This is A. Then connect this so that you can form this is a C2. So this one let's label as a B. We know for A, this is a 32 degrees. For this C, it will be 118. How to check whether this C2 exists or not? As we know, the sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Therefore, we need to check angle A plus angle C2 is less than 180 or greater than 180. If it's less than 180, which means C2 does exist. But if it's greater than or equal to 180, means C2 is a fake one. So we add 32 degrees plus 118 degrees. equals 150 degree. This is less than 180 degree, which means this is C2 does exist. In other words, there are two triangles. For the two triangles, you need to draw the triangle and label them, then find the difference of the area of these two triangles. So for the first triangle, you will draw like this. This one you always label as a given angle. Then here you always label the acute angle C1. Then this is a B. For the second triangle, you will draw like this. This one is shorter, so go this way. This will be C2. Here is a A. Then this is a B. That's how you draw the triangle with a C2. We know C2 is obtuse angle. Then you can label. Here is a 118 degree. For A will be 32 degree. This is a 32 degree. This is a 62 degree. Then this is a A, here's a B, this is a C. So we have A equals 6, C equals 10. This is a B, here's A equals 6, and C equals 10. Since we are looking for the difference of area of these two triangles, we label this is A1. Then A1 will be 1/2 AB sin C. For the area of the triangle, the keywords is included angle. So you need to figure out angle B first so that you can use 1/2 AB sin C, this formula. So for angle B equals 180 degree minus 62 degree minus 32 degree, you will get 86 degree. Then we will use this formula for A1 equals 1/2 times 10 times 6, then sine 86 degree. That's your A1. So for this part, let's label as A2. Still, that is 1/2 AB sin C. This is the formula we got to use. For angle B, you will use 180 degree minus 32 degree minus 118 degree equals 30 degree. Therefore, for A2, you will get 1/2 times 10 times 6, then sine 30 degree. The difference of the area, let's use this one to show. You will get the A1 minus A2. For this one, you can reduce. That is a 30 sine 86 degree. Then minus. This will be 30 times sine 30 degree. So equals. So answer will be 14.9. Let's go to task 2. First of all, we need to figure out angle C. 10 over sin C equals A will be 3 over sine 32 degree. Then for the sine C equals, same line go to denominator, that's 3 go to denominator, then 10 times sine 32 degree. We will go to graphing calculator. That is alpha y equals, enter. So 10 times sine 32 degree, then divided by 3, enter. We know the range for sine function is between -1 to 1. This is out of range of sine function. So if you do the second sine, then drop down here, enter, you will get error, which means no triangle will be formed for this SSA. So no triangle is formed. Let's go to task 3. Then for this C is 10 over sine C equals 12 over sine 32 degree. Then cross multiply, sine C equals, denominator will be 12, 10 times sine 32 degree. Then we can get C1 equals, so we go to alpha y equals, enter. This is a 10 times sine 32 degree over 12, enter. This number less than 1, so we can get angle C1. That's acute angle. Second sine, go up, go down, enter. You will get the 26.2 degree. Then for the C2, we will use 180 minus 26.2. So your answer will be 153.8 degree. We have acute angle. We also have an obtuse angle for angle C. Now we got C1 and C2. Then you need to check C2, whether it exists or not. Try to draw this triangle with the obtuse angle C2. So I will draw like this. This will be C2. Angle A is given here. You can see this is a B. Let's label. Given angle is a 32 degree. For C2, suppose it exists is a 153.8 degree. Then we try to add these two angles. 32 degree plus 153.8 degree. That equals 185.8 degree. Since the sum is greater than 180 degree, which means these two angles cannot form a triangle. So this is a fake triangle. We need to cross out C2. In other words, we have only one triangle formed. Solve triangle, which means we need to know all three angles and all three sides. So we will draw this triangle with acute angle C. This is a given angle A. Here is a 32 degree. This is a 26.2 degree. Let's label this is a B. and here's B. This is A, and here's C. We know C is 10, A is 12. We need to figure out B and also this angle B. For the angle B, pretty easy. We use 180 degree minus 32 minus 26.2 degree equals. Now we got the angle B. We need to figure out this size. This is 121.8 degree. So we got to use the sine law to figure out this B. You can also use cosine law, but I think sine law is much easier than cosine law. So we will do the B over sine 121.8 degree equals. You can use A or C. Normally we use A because for this angle is given, is more accurate than 26.2. So I will use 12 over sine 32 degree. Then you cross multiply. Your B equals, your denominator will be sine 32 degree. Top will be 12 times sine 121.8 degree equals. Your answer will be 19.2 centimeters for B.